Hi, it's Tanya from My Forking Life, and today we are making crab cakes. Now, we're not doing it on the stove, we're making it in another device, and you guessed it, we are making it in our air fryer. So to make this recipe, I have got half pound of lump crab meat. I just picked this up in the grocery store. Make sure it's lump crab meat or jumbo lump crab meat so you have those nice flakes of crab meat throughout your crab cake. We're also going to use a little bit of mayo, some Dijon mustard, some breadcrumbs, a little bit of red bell pepper, some green onions, of course, some Old Bay seasoning, and a squeeze of lemon over the top after we air fry them to perfection. So to get it started, first we're going to go ahead and cut our red bell pepper. Get those cuts very small if you can, because you don't want big chunks of red bell pepper. Then we're going to go ahead and chop our green onions. Then we're going to dump our crab meat in a bowl. We're going to add the red bell pepper. We're going to add that green onion. We're also going to add some breadcrumbs, not a lot. We're going to add some mayonnaise, good quality mayonnaise, Dijon mustard, as well as some Old Bay seasoning. And we're going to go ahead and kind of mix that together till it's combined. That looks good already. But we're gonna go ahead and finish this dish. So we're gonna make 4 little crab cake patties. Don't squeeze them too hard. I like to just lightly pat them together. And there you have it. I put them on a plate just to make sure that they're all fully formed. Then I open my basket, and I like to use these parchment liners. I make sure I put the liner down first and then place my food on top of it so that liner doesn't go flying anywhere. I place my 4 crab cakes in my air fryer basket, and I am going to lightly spray them with a little bit of canola oil. Once it's done, I open it and it's perfect. Perfectly browned. I didn't have to sit over a stove. It was really super easy. Look how pretty that is. Lay them on a plate and show everyone how fancy you are. That's what I do. And then to make these so good, you need to definitely squeeze a bit of lemon juice over it. And then I top it with a homemade remoulade sauce. It's so good. Here's a close-up shot just for you. And there you have it. Delicious crab cakes all made in your air fryer. It's quick, it's easy, and it's really good. Again, you'll want to pair this with a lovely remoulade sauce. If I'm mispronouncing that, I'm sorry. Also, you want to have a squeeze of lemon over top of it. It is so darn good. All right, till the next time. Bye.